Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Here we speak in very simple English, slow and clear, so you can learn easily.
No difficult grammar,
No complex vocabulary.
just natural, daily life English conversation.
And today's topic is super helpful your English study techniques.
Your English study techniques. Let's begin. So, Alex, what English study techniques do you use?
Many. Some smart, some funny, some totally lazy.
Same. Studying English is easy. Starting English study is hard.
My favorite technique is small study every day, just 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes, short study feels simple. Your brain doesn't get scared.
And daily study builds habits slowly. Consistency beats long study sessions.
Exactly. Small but daily equals powerful. I study English topic by topic. One day, food vocabulary. Next day, travel vocabulary. Next day, daily routine phrases.
Oh, yes, topic based study is perfect. You learn useful language for real life.
And it feels organized, not confusing.
I use flashcards for vocabulary. One side, word, other side, meaning and example.
Flashcards are magic. You can study anywhere bus, bed, bathroom.
Bathroom learning is real.
I repeat English sentences aloud. It improves speaking and pronunciation.
Yes, shadowing technique. You listen, you copy, you sound better.
And it feels natural, like you're talking to the speaker.
Grammar is easier when you learn with examples, not rules.
Yes, examples make grammar simple. Rules make grammar confusing.
Example learning equals stress free grammar.
I practice English while cooking, walking, cleaning. I just think in English.
Yes, yes. Daily tasks plus English thinking equals smooth fluency building.
No time pressure, no books needed.
I record my voice in English. Then I listen and check mistakes.
That's such a helpful technique. You hear your pronunciation, your speed, your tone.
And you feel more confident next time.
Teaching someone is the best technique. When you teach, you learn double.
Yes, teaching makes your concepts clear. Even explaining simple words helps you grow.
And it also improves confidence.
I keep a small English notebook. New words, new phrases, new mistakes, everything I write inside.
Notebooks make learning organized. Your progress becomes visible.
And revision becomes easy. Okay, listeners, repeat with us.
I use different study techniques.
I learn a little every day.
Examples help me understand grammar. I repeat sentences to improve speaking.
I write and revise regularly.
My English is improving. Great job!
Why study techniques matter?
Techniques make learning easier and faster.
Yes, your study becomes organized, enjoyable, and effective.
Everyone learns differently. So choose techniques that fit you.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Alex, one study technique that helps me a lot is using English in real life tasks, like ordering food, writing small messages, reading signboards, or talking to shopkeepers in simple English.
Yes, this is powerful. Real life English feels scary in the beginning, but slowly your confidence grows.
Exactly. When you use English outside your room, your brain thinks, oh, English is my real language too.
And even small tasks like saying thank you, asking how much, or answering in simple words helps your speaking muscles wake up.
Yes, English becomes natural, not forced. Having a partner for English practice is amazing. If you have a friend learning English, practice together. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference.
Yes, and when you speak with a partner, you both feel less shy because both of you are learners.
Right. You can practice simple dialogues like, Hi, how are you? What did you do today? What did you learn? These small talks build fluency.
And partners can correct mistakes softly, like, hey, say it like this, not like that. No judgment, just teamwork.
Also, it's fun. Sometimes we laugh at our mistakes, but that helps us remember better.
Yes, English with a partner becomes a game, not a pressure.
Teaching is a super technique. When you teach someone, even a little, you understand topics better.
Yes, if I explain a grammar rule to someone, I actually learn it more clearly.
Correct, because teaching forces your brain to organize information.
Even if you don't have someone to teach your wall, teach your pillow, teach your imaginary student.
Yes, it still works. One big mistake is trying to learn too much too fast. Slow learning is better, deeper, stronger.
Yes, learn one small topic, practice it, use it in sentences, and then move to the next.
Deep learning equals long term memory. Fast learning equals forgetting in 2 hours.
True, true. Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I want to use better study techniques.
I learn slowly and deeply.
Practice with a partner helps me.
Real life English makes me confident.
Teaching others helps me understand.
My English study techniques are improving.
Great job! English learning is not magic, it's daily small effort.
Yes, one simple technique, one simple practice can create big improvement over time.
Don't rush, don't compare. Just grow, step by step.
You are improving more than you think.
Okay, Alex, this was a super helpful topic.
Yes, English study becomes fun when you use the right techniques.
If you're enjoying today's lesson, don't forget to hit the like button.
And make sure you subscribe to our channel, Learn English Easy Way, so you never miss a new episode.
Oh, and one more thing. Share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
Your support really helps our channel grow. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Stay learning, stay consistent, stay improving.
Bye!
Bye.